Hello friends, I'm Simon. In this video, we want to learn 20 useful English words in a short story. The words are shown in red in the story. Here's my advice. First, listen to the story one time. At the end of the story, I will give you all the words and easy meanings for each word. After you read the words and the meanings, listen to the story again while you read the text. Okay, let's start the story. Maria was a new member of the school's English language club. She had decided to join after her teacher's advice. "You should join the club," her teacher had said. "It will help you earn better grades." On her first day, Maria forgot her notebook. A friendly boy named Tom offered to let her borrow his extra one. "Don't worry," he said with a smile. "We all forget things sometimes." The club president, Sarah, appeared at the door. "Welcome, everyone. Today we'll discuss something special." She arranged the chairs in a circle and invited everyone to sit down. Each member will describe their favorite book. Maria felt nervous. She couldn't miss this chance to make friends. Tom seemed to understand her meaning without words and gave her an encouraging nod. Sarah continued, "But first, I have important information. Our club's trophy has disappeared." Everyone gasped. The trophy was special because each year, members earned points for it. "Let me guide you through what happened," Sarah explained. She described how the trophy usually appeared on the shelf. "I arranged it there yesterday, but this morning it was gone." The members decided to investigate. They discussed different ideas. "We shouldn't miss any clues," Tom said. "Let's each search a different room." Maria followed Tom's advice and checked the library. She tried to remember if she had seen anything strange. She couldn't forget how upset Sarah looked. In the library, Maria found Ms. Johnson, their club guide. "Can I borrow a moment of your time?" Maria asked politely. She described the missing trophy. Ms. Johnson appeared surprised. "I have some information that might help," she said. "Yesterday, I saw someone arrange books near the trophy shelf." Maria continued her search, earning more clues. She invited Tom to join her investigation. Together, they discussed each piece of information. "The meaning is clear," Tom said. "Someone borrowed the trophy but forgot to return it." They decided to include Sarah in their discussion. Sarah guided them to check the cleaning closet. There it was. A note was attached. "Borrowed for cleaning. Sorry, I forgot to leave proper information. Mr. Garcia, janitor." The mystery was solved. Sarah arranged a meeting to discuss what happened. "Each member did great work," she said. "You didn't miss any important clues." The club decided to invite Mr. Garcia to their next meeting. He appeared very sorry. "I should have followed the rules and left a note in the right place," he apologized. Sarah described new rules for borrowing club items. "From now on, we'll include a sign-out sheet. No one should forget again." The members continued their regular meeting. Each person described their favorite book as planned. Maria's confidence grew as she earned friendly smiles from other members. Tom gave her advice about the club activities. "Don't miss our weekly discussions. They really help improve English skills." Maria decided to follow all the club rules carefully. She wouldn't forget this exciting first day. The meaning of being a club member was now clear: helping each other and working together. Over the following weeks, Maria continued to join all meetings. Sarah would guide new activities and arrange interesting discussions. Sometimes they discussed grammar, sometimes books, and sometimes they just talked about their lives. Maria never missed a meeting. She earned many new friends, and her English improved. The club members would often borrow books from each other and discuss their meanings together. One day, Sarah invited Maria to help arrange the next meeting. "You've become such an active member," she said. "Would you like to guide a discussion next week?" Maria couldn't forget her nervousness from the first day. Now she was ready to help others. She decided to include fun activities in her discussion plan. "Can I borrow your advice?" Maria asked Tom. He was happy to help. They discussed different ideas and their meanings. Tom described successful activities from past meetings. The day arrived. Maria appeared confident as she guided the discussion. She didn't forget any of her planned activities. Each member participated enthusiastically. She had arranged everything perfectly, following Sarah's earlier advice. At the end, Sarah said, "Maria, you've earned our respect. You didn't miss the true meaning of our club, supporting each other." Maria smiled. She would never forget how the club had helped her. From borrowing a notebook on her first day to guiding discussions, she had grown so much. The club would continue to be special to her. The story is finished. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I asked you a question about the story in the description. Please write your answer in the comments. See you in the next video. Goodbye.